To score 100 in science, we will divide chapter day-wise.
You must have prepared the complete science syllabus as the board examination is approaching. Some tips for the science revision that can be beneficial for you at last minute. Practice repeated questions from the previous year papers, sample papers, revise syllabus according to the updated weightage of the chapters given by CBSE. Work more on application-based questions. Make sure to study the NCERT textbooks and the NCERT solutions. Use flowcharts, notes, and diagrams to memorize important topics. Revise all physics formulas, chemical reactions from the chemistry, and the diagrams and definitions of the biology thoroughly.
Here are the ultimate tips to master your entire syllabus just in 4 days.
For chemistry, you should revise all the reactions involved in chapter 1, 2 and 3, and yes children, do not forget to revise all the reactions involved in NCERT exam.
In biology, we'll revise life processes, heredity, practice, diagrams, flowchart, monohybrid and dihybrid cross.
Day 1, from physics part, we will take light chapter and then human eye and the colorful world. From light chapter, first we will revise sign convention. Then we will do ray diagrams, and in ray diagrams, don't forget to put arrowhead on that. After doing all this, you will be very confident for doing numerical problems. Do numerical problems which are given in your NCERT textbooks and from the exam.
For day 2, practice relevant questions of acid, bases and salts along with comparative studies of formation and properties of ionic and covalent compounds.
Day 2 will revise control and coordination, how do organisms reproduce and practice diagram.
Day 2, we will take electricity chapter. From electricity chapter, you will revise all the working formulas which is given in your NCERT textbook. While solving the numerical problems, you will draw the circuit diagram for it. And it's very important to write the SI unit while writing the answers.
For day 3, practice flow diagram for the topics included in carbon and its compound.
Day 3, revise our environment and do writing practice.
3, we will pick magnetism chapter. In magnetism chapter, revise magnetic field lines, hand rules and solenoid.
All the best, students.